Hi everybody, good morning from my side. I greet you all according to your own time, okay? Yeah, welcome back to my channel. Good to see you, good to be here. Yeah, thank you so much guys for all your support. Honestly, I really appreciate you. I'm so grateful to have you because okay, thank you so much. Honestly, I wish I so thank you so much. Please keep supporting, please, Yeah. And God will surely bless you. That is onions. Yeah. So, all right, guys, we are in the kitchen as usual. So, I'm going to make akara. You know what is akara? So I decided to take you guys along, okay? And I wanted to show you what I'm using for the akara, okay? Yeah. Um, so let me show you without wasting time. We don't have to waste time. We don't have to, talk too much, right? All right, guys, let me show you what I'm using to make the akara. In case you don't know what is the akara, I will call it local cake or African cake. We use beans to make it, okay? Normally, back in our country, which is Nigeria, we use black ice beans to make akara, okay, which is local cake. Okay guys, so let me show you what I'm using today. Okay, I have black ice beans, but I don't want to use it because it's going to give me, it take a long time to work on it. Okay, so this one is I mean it's the same taste, the same as in it's the same, it's so good. Yeah, so let me show you what I'm going to use today. This is what I'm using. I'm going to measure 1 cup and a little bit of it, which is like 1/4 cup. Okay, so look at what I'm using. This is lentils, right? So this is it. Okay, I believe you know this. Yeah, so I do use it to make akara because it's very quick and fast. This one just to wash, it doesn't have skin to remove or chaff, my bad. Okay, so just to measure it and wash and then blend it and then start frying. But the other beans we are using back home, which is black ice beans, that one will give you tough time to wash and move all the skin or chaff. Okay, or yeah, it will give you tough time to wash. So this is quick and easy. All right, let's just get started. And this is my ingredients. I'm going to use 2 onions and 1 pepper. It's very pepper. It's too, I mean, yeah, it's very hot. Okay, so let's start. So I'm going to add the ingredient, which is onions and pepper. I will also add cinnamon powder. This is optional, okay? Just for me, I love adding cinnamon powder or anything called cinnamon, okay? I love it. So I'm going to be adding cinnamon, like 1 teaspoon, yeah. And also salt. I have salt. So I'm going to add some water. So at this point, test it and see. If your ingredient is not enough, you can add. So mine is enough. It's so tasty. So tasty. so quick and fast. So quick. It doesn't take time. It doesn't need much. Just okay. So good. Do not let it to be too watering, okay? This texture is very okay because so that is it, guys. Can you see that? So this is so good. Yeah, you can see the texture, right? Do not, just be careful when you're adding water to blend. Do not allow it to become more than, as in become so watering. All right, so let's get started. We are going to start frying now, and here is our pan. This pan is for meat. I'm going to fry this meat for my boss, and I'm also going to fry my akara here.
Memories filling up my mind and I can't seem to push it back. These times ingrain my mind and I just can't let it go. How did I lose the way through the things that really matter? These complications spin my mind, but I know I gotta keep pushing through. Yeah, I keep doing my own thing. Yeah, never looking back again. I can get it, I can make it, yeah, I know it, and I'm never looking back again. Yeah, I'm never looking back again. I can get it, I can make it, yeah, I know it, and I'm never looking back again.
Yeah, family, at this point we have come to the end of this video. So right here, this is cornstarch. Okay, this is what I'm going to use it with the akara. Okay, so keep watching, and thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. I so much appreciate. This is the cornstarch. I take the quantity that I want. Okay, yeah, it's so good. It's just like you eating custard. Yeah, it's like custard or pap, yeah, or camo. Pap is a camo, depend how you want. In case you're wondering the color of the water, guys, I boil bay leaf and groves. Okay, and groves. This is bay leaf and groves tea. You can see the kettle. Okay, yeah, you can decide to drink it, just take it without the custard, as in drink the tea just like that. Any choice of your tea, you can use it and enjoy your akara. Okay, so right here my cornstarch is ready, and I added milk. So feel free to add any milk choice of your milk, or any milk of your choice. Yalla. So guys, dive in and let's enjoy. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Please like, share, and comment. Let me know your opinion if you ever eat cornstarch. Guys, it's so delicious. I love you all. Till we meet again in my next video. Bye. And that is the milk I'm using. I love you guys. Bye.